all smile at what we go through. One stop to the rhythm that divides you. And I speak to you like the chorus to the verse. Drop another line like a go-to with the curse. Coming like a freak show takes the stage. We give them the games to play. Say I want something else to get me through this semi-time kind of life. Baby, baby, I want something else. I'm not listening when you say goodbye. The sky was gold, it was rose. I was taking sips of it to my nose, and I wish I could get back there, someplace back there, smiling in the pictures you would take. To a crystal method, lift you up until you break. It won't stop. I won't come down and keep stop with the tick-tock rhythm. I bumped for the drop and then I bumped up. I took the hit that I was given and I bumped again. Then I bumped again. Said, how do I get back there to the place where I fell asleep inside you? How do I get myself back to the place where you said I want something else to get me through this semi-time kind of life? Baby, baby, I want something else. I'm not listening when you say goodbye. I believe in the sand beneath my toes. The beach gives a feeling, an earthy feeling. I believe in the faith that grows, and the full I know can make me cry. When I'm with you I feel like I could die, and that would be alright, alright. And when the breaking in, she said she was crossing the velvet ribbons in the sea. We tripped on the earth to feel alive. But now I'm struggling to survive those days you were wearing that velvet dress. You're the priestess, I must confess. Those little red panties, they passed the test. Let's look around the belly, face down on the mattress. One, and you hold me, and we are broken. Still it's all if I wanna do just a little. I feel myself heavy off the ground. I'm scared I'm not coming down. No, no, and I won't run from my love. She's got my thoughts now locked down in a smile, but nothing is alright, alright. I want something else to get me through this life. Baby, I want something else. Not listening when you say
If you've enjoyed this video, please consider supporting me on Patreon. Even just £1 a month helps me create more frequent uploads and better quality content. By becoming a patron on the new tier, you'll get access to exclusive full song tutorials. You'll have priority input on future videos and notations, you'll have access to all the PDFs, and plenty more. Your support allows me to keep making the videos you love. Thank you.